Good morning class. Today my topic is PCR. So in this topic I would like to explain the introduction about PCR, application of PCR and limitation of PCR. So first of all I would like to say what is PCR. PCR stands for Polymerase chain reaction. So PCR is widely used in molecular biology to develop millions to billions of DNA sequence. By developing millions of billions DNA sequence, we have to take a small amount of DNA and have to study in detail. So first of all, in a detail about the PCR, many apparatus, many instruments are there through which we can study PCR. So PCR was mainly invented by Mullis in 1983. In this PCR, what happens? The main application of PCR is that the ancient or the disease that are very harmful to our body, like cancer, AIDS, HIV, we can detect from this method. Like many ancient stones are there, temples are there, mosques are there. By using that samples, we can identify these things at what range this was invented. So the limitation in the sense you can say as a drawback. So as I said already, PCR is a widely used in a microbiology. Microbiology in the sense this helps to study structure and function of protein and nucleus of essential life. Now this PCR method, like in today's world, everybody cannot have test of HIV, AIDS because these things cost a lot. So limitation is that this require a large space. This cannot be handled by a unskilled person. To handle this, we require a skilled person. The person, those who know about this instrument properly. And again, we require the heavy cost. If particular person is coming for PCR, he should have a more amount to the PCR. So in a brief, I would like to say about this topic. PCR is a widely used method in the microbiology in which millions to billions sequence of DNA is developed. Through that millions to billions sequence developed, a small amount is taken. And by taking that small amount, we are going to study in detail. And this was mainly coined by Mullis in 1983. The uses in detection of fingerprints in criminal cases, criminal forensic lab. Then after infectious disease, to find out the infectious disease. In the case of disease, HIV, cancers, so in the starting stage, we are going to find out the infectious disease. Then after the limitations you can say as drawbacks. So drawbacks, this cannot be used by a skilled. This can be used by the skilled person because this is highly capable instruments. And then after this is require more space. And due to cost, having the instrument heavy cost, this cannot be afforded by all the persons. So the topic of this much is only about the PCR and about the brief introduction. So the PCR is very important point in the research and clinical labs and all. Thank you class.